So it wasn't until very recently that we decided to purchase a grill. And before then, we were obviously baking our chicken breasts in the oven. But they never seem to turn out that way that you want them to, that way that you get when you grill your chicken. So nice and juicy. But I found the trick to making perfectly juicy chicken breasts in the oven. So that way, if you don't have a grill, you don't have to worry about it, and this is the trick for you. So let's get started. It starts off with chicken, of course. I have some chicken breasts here, and you can marinate your chicken breasts with anything that you want before they go into the oven. I recommend doing something just to give them some nice flavor. My favorite thing to do, it's the foolproof way, you always have these ingredients on hand, is some olive oil and some balsamic vinegar. And to it, I'm just gonna add some black pepper generously. I like to do it right in with my mixture of balsamic and olive oil. And some salt. And then you can just kind of stir around that mixture in your little bowl. I popped my chicken right in some plastic Ziploc bags, just so it's less cross-contamination. And then you want to open your Ziploc bags, and you can just pour your marinade right into your bag with your chicken. You can do this right on your baking sheet if you prefer and you don't have Ziploc bags on hand, but this way I really like because it's so easy. So you just seal up your bag, and you just massage the chicken with your marinade of choice, just like this. And you can also pop this in the fridge and let it sit and really just like meld the chicken with all those flavors overnight for a few hours if you prefer, or you can do it last minute like I'm doing. So then you just wanna open your bag, voila, and place your chicken right on a baking sheet just like this in a single layer. So I cleaned up my hands, and now all I have to do is pop my baking sheet in the oven at 425 for 17 to 21 minutes. The high heat is the key to juicy chicken breasts, I'm telling you. All you need to do is make sure these come out at 165 in the thickest part. Perfect, juicy chicken breasts every time. Now we just have to wait 5 minutes to let them rest, so that way all the juices stay in your chicken and doesn't run out when you slice it. I'm gonna start with this guy right here. Ooh, he's a little slippery because he's so juicy. Okay, so you're really supposed to cut the chicken against the grain. It is a little difficult to do, but you can kind of see the grain is going more this way. So I'm gonna cut kind of like this way. And I like to use a serrated knife. I feel like it's easier. But look at how juicy that is. You can see the juice in the center. Look at that chicken. So perfect and juicy. That is the perfect chicken. And I'm gonna prove it to you by eating. Cheers. This chicken is so juicy. You can eat it alone. You can put it on salads, pastas, you name it. You know the drill. Check this out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it. My jeans are too tight. Let's make it. Let's make it. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We